Hi, my name is Dat, and this is my final project. And my project is on redesigning the UCO Computer Science webpage. And this is me. So this is a true story. I was trying to book an appointment for advisement on the UCO webpage, but I was having a hard time finding where I could set the appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the UCO webpage here. So when I visit the UCO webpage, I couldn't find where to set the appointment. I tried looking around and scanned through the website, but it was just leading me into the wrong places. Until I asked a friend, and he finally told me to go to academic, and then you have to click here, and then you can get to the appointment here. So it was pretty much hidden and was very difficult to find. So I thought maybe perhaps I could redesign the webpage so that it's more user friendly. So what are some of the areas that the UCO webpage could improve on? So here I made a list, and I grouped them into their importance. So we can improve the menu and the navigation, the perhaps the content organization and the structure, and perhaps the decomposition of the information on the web page by breaking them into smaller pieces, and the imagery. It seemed like the web page didn't have a lot of image, so it feels like there was a lot of text. So it gets your eyes get tired by seeing all the text, and you lose focus because there's just so much stuff going on. So what are the solutions that we can do? Well, the solution is to redesign the menu so that it is intuitive to use. Place non-important information in the footer menu. Organize menu content by their association. Group the social media into one area. Display related content into sections so that it doesn't feel distracting. Make color scheme follow the look and feel of the UCO main webpage. And use catching images to make the page more pleasant to look at. So this helps reduce the amount of text display in one page by splitting the information into the specific field. So let's look at the new UCO webpage. I'm going to bring it up. So this is the new UCO webpage. Here there is not a lot of text going on, and you can see the big image that associate with computer science, and the menu is reduced and organized content in how they associate with one another. So in academic we have course and graduate page, and in Connect you can log in or contact the UCO computer science department, or you can sign up. And if we scroll down, we have a different section. This is about the UCO department, and then we have announcement. So we divide the content into small pieces and into section so that it's easier on the eyes to look at. In this section we have about why you should attend at UCO, and here we have the courses at UCO with, of course, more image to show about the course and also about the professor and who's teaching the course. And of course we can slide to see more of the course. And here we have the faculty section that show who is teaching in the computer science department, and if you can visit their website if you like. And then last but not least, we have the what the student say about at UCO, and also the footer. Here in the social media link is grouped into one area, and also all the non-important information is also put in the footer. Alright, so what are some additional feature of this new web page? Well, some of the additional features that was added on was the web application is easy to use for the admin user. it can also provide a rich text editor to create the announcement, and it can also send announcement to subscribe student. So here, student can register or sign up to the UCO Computer Science Department webpage. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and sign up. And I'll use a different email. And when I sign up, it will send a verification token to one of my email. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my email. Here I have the token, and I can verify the token by going to this link. So I'm going to go ahead and go to that link. Just paste it here. And once I go to that link, it will verify my account, and I can now log in. So once I log in, I can subscribe to the announcement. So I'll click subscribe, and here it will announce that I have my subscription was successful. So that's what the student can do. They can sign up, log in, and subscribe for the announcement. So I'm gonna go ahead and log out of the student account and log in as an admin. So as an admin, I have a different menu. So I have an additional menu right here for admin, which can manage the announcement in faculty. So in faculty, I could add more faculty or make update to the existing faculty, or I can create a new announcement. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new announcement. And in the announcement, I have a rich text editor that I could use to edit my announcement. So I'll just write something real quick. Make that full, and then I'll make it red. And I could also attach a file to the announcement, but here I'm just gonna leave that alone, and I'll just hit submit. And once I submit the announcement, the student can go to the home page and see the new announcement. And here's the new announcement, and then the rich text editor, the format of it will display in the announcement. And also, as an admin, I can go back to the manage announcement, and I can select which announcement I would like to send to the student. So here, I just create this announcement, and I would like to send it to all the subscribed students. So I'll just hit send. And once I hit send, I can go back to my student email, and I'll check my inbox. I'll refresh the page, and here the new announcement is sent to my email. So that is it for my final project. Thank you for listening.